The world's largest flying birds captivate with their immense wingspans, showcasing nature's ability to conquer the skies. At the top of the list is the wandering albatross, with a wingspan exceeding 11 feet, enabling it to glide effortlessly over oceans for days. The great white pelican and Dalmatian pelican follow, their broad wings spanning over 10 feet. Close behind are the Andean condor and marabou stork, known for their striking presence and impressive spans. These birds, giants of the air, represent the pinnacle of avian adaptation, relying on their vast wings to soar across continents, seas, and high altitudes. Understanding their ecological significance and the challenges they face from habitat loss and human activity reminds us of the importance of conservation to ensure these magnificent creatures continue to thrive in our skies. The albatross, known for its extraordinary endurance, spends most of its life in flight, rarely touching land except to breed. Its massive wingspan is perfectly adapted for dynamic soaring, enabling it to harness ocean winds with minimal effort. Similarly, the Andean condor, with a wingspan of up to 10.5 feet, dominates the skies of South America, gliding effortlessly over mountainous terrain. Its role as a scavenger is vital for maintaining ecosystem health by cleaning up carrion. The pelicans, including the great white and Dalmatian varieties, are not just known for their wingspans but also for their unique feeding strategies. Their expansive wings help them cover vast waterways in search of fish, making them efficient hunters. The marabou stork, with its imposing wingspan, is another important scavenger, cleaning up carcasses in African savannas and preventing the spread of disease. Other notable species include the southern royal albatross, similar to its wandering counterpart, and the Himalayan griffon vulture, which soars high over rugged mountain ranges. The Eurasian black vulture and the California condor, both with wingspans nearing 10 feet, are impressive examples of avian adaptation, with the latter being a conservation success story after nearly facing extinction. These birds, with their immense wings and unique ecological roles, are not just marvels of nature but also indicators of the health of our ecosystems. Protecting their habitats, reducing pollution, and addressing threats like climate change are crucial for their survival. The largest flying birds inspire awe and remind us of the vast and interconnected web of life that we must work to preserve. Despite their dominance in the skies, many of these magnificent birds face serious threats that jeopardize their populations. Habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, and human activities like hunting and fishing pose significant challenges. The wandering albatross, for instance, often falls victim to longline fishing practices, becoming entangled in fishing lines. Similarly, the California condor's population was nearly wiped out due to lead poisoning and habitat encroachment, requiring extensive conservation efforts to bring the species back from the brink. Conservation programs around the globe have proven that recovery is possible with dedicated efforts. For example, captive breeding programs and habitat protection have played a pivotal role in increasing the numbers of the California condor. Meanwhile, sustainable fishing practices and international treaties aim to reduce accidental bycatch that threatens seabirds like the albatross. Education and awareness are equally important. Informing local communities about the ecological importance of these birds helps foster coexistence and support for conservation initiatives. Ecotourism, when conducted responsibly, can also provide funding and motivation to protect these species and their habitats while offering people the chance to witness their beauty in the wild. The sheer size and grace of the largest flying birds remind us of nature's power and elegance. Their survival depends on a balance between human progress and environmental stewardship. By prioritizing conservation and respecting the ecosystems these birds depend on, we ensure that they continue to soar across the skies, inspiring future generations with their majesty and ecological importance. The story of these avian giants is a testament to resilience, adaptation, and the responsibility we share to protect the natural world. The preservation of these incredible birds is not just about saving individual species but maintaining the balance of ecosystems they influence. Large scavengers like the Andean condor and marabou stork play critical roles in nutrient cycling, removing decaying matter and preventing the spread of disease. Oceanic giants such as the wandering albatross and pelicans contribute to marine ecosystem health by controlling fish populations and redistributing nutrients through their feeding and migration patterns. The challenges these species face are also an urgent reminder of how interconnected ecosystems and human activities are. When we reduce our impact on the environment, whether by minimizing pollution, regulating hunting practices, or curbing deforestation, we create space for these birds to thrive. Efforts to establish protected areas, such as marine sanctuaries and nature reserves, ensure these habitats remain safe for the survival of large avian species. Modern science and technology are also helping to protect these birds. Satellite tracking enables researchers to monitor migratory patterns and identify critical habitats, while advances in biology help conservationists understand their breeding and feeding behaviors. These insights guide policies and strategies for effective conservation, emphasizing a science-based approach to addressing threats. Perhaps the most significant takeaway from studying these large flying birds is the awe they inspire. Their immense wingspans and soaring journeys embody freedom and resilience. They remind us of nature's grandeur and our role as its stewards. Protecting them means protecting a piece of our planet's soul, ensuring that these majestic creatures remain a vital part of Earth's tapestry for generations to come. The plight and perseverance of these large flying birds also symbolize the broader challenges faced by wildlife in a rapidly changing world. Their survival is a barometer for the health of ecosystems, signaling the impact of human activities on biodiversity. When these species struggle, it is often a reflection of deeper environmental issues, polluted oceans, depleted fish stocks, vanishing forests, or warming climates. Global conservation efforts, like the establishment of migratory bird flyways, are critical to protecting these species. These international corridors ensure that birds traversing continents have access to safe habitats for resting, feeding, and breeding. Collaboration between nations has been instrumental in safeguarding vital regions, such as the Southern Ocean for albatrosses or South American highlands for condors. These efforts highlight the importance of a unified approach to wildlife protection. Individual actions also contribute significantly. Supporting organizations that focus on habitat restoration, reducing the use of plastics that pollute oceans, and advocating for renewable energy to mitigate climate change all help create an environment where these birds can flourish. Birdwatching and ecotourism, when practiced responsibly, can fund conservation initiatives and increase public appreciation for these avian giants. The enduring presence of large flying birds in our skies is a testament to their adaptability and strength, but it is also a call to action. Their majestic flights, spanning continents and oceans, connect people to the vastness of the natural world and remind us of our shared responsibility to protect it. By working together, we can ensure that these awe-inspiring creatures continue to grace our skies, serving as symbols of resilience, harmony, and the beauty of life on Earth. Looking ahead, the future of these magnificent birds lies in our hands. Strengthening conservation policies, expanding protected areas, and fostering global cooperation are essential steps to ensure their survival. This requires not only governments and organizations to act but also individuals to recognize their role in creating a more sustainable world. Community-driven efforts, such as reforestation projects to restore lost habitats or initiatives to clean coastlines and oceans, empower people to contribute directly to the protection of these species. Education campaigns that teach the importance of biodiversity and the unique roles these birds play in ecosystems can inspire future generations to value and protect wildlife. Additionally, advancing research remains critical. Continued studies into the behaviors, migration patterns, and breeding habits of large flying birds will allow for more targeted conservation strategies. Innovative solutions, like biodegradable fishing gear to reduce bycatch or drone technology for non-invasive monitoring, represent the promising intersection of technology and wildlife preservation. Ultimately, the survival of the world's largest flying birds is about more than conservation. It is about preserving the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. These birds are not only ecological linchpins but also cultural icons, inspiring art, literature, and mythology across human history. Protecting them ensures that they remain not only a vital part of Earth's ecosystems but also enduring symbols of the beauty and fragility of the natural world. Their soaring silhouettes remind us of the boundless possibilities of nature when left to thrive. By committing to their preservation, we honor our shared connection to the Earth and its incredible diversity of life, ensuring that the skies remain alive with their majestic presence for generations to come. The story of these birds is more than a tale of survival, it is a reflection of humanity's evolving relationship with nature. As we work to protect these majestic creatures, we also reaffirm our commitment to stewardship of the planet. Their immense wings, gliding effortlessly through the skies, remind us of the interconnectedness of life, and the delicate balance that sustains ecosystems. Each species represents a unique chapter in Earth's biodiversity. From the wandering albatross, a master of the open seas, to the Andean condor, a sentinel of the mountains, these birds embody the resilience and adaptability of life in diverse environments. Their survival is a testament to the importance of coexistence, where human innovation aligns with the principles of sustainability. The future holds both challenges and opportunities. Climate change, habitat destruction, and pollution threaten the habitats these birds depend on, but awareness, education, and conservation can pave the way for recovery. The success of programs like the California condor's reintroduction shows that, with collective effort, even species on the brink of extinction can recover and thrive. Preserving these giants of the skies is not just an environmental imperative but also a moral and cultural one. Their presence enriches our world, offering inspiration, connection, and lessons about resilience. Protecting them ensures that the marvel of their flight, a symbol of freedom and endurance, continues to uplift hearts and minds across generations. As they soar above oceans, mountains, and plains, these birds remind us of what we stand to lose if we fail to act. But they also inspire hope, showing us that with dedication and unity, we can ensure that the skies remain a canvas for their incredible journeys, a legacy of nature's grandeur and our responsibility to protect it. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.